Creating a custom form in Gohighlevel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, go to Marketing and click on Forms. Next, click on Create New Form. Select a pre-designed template if it aligns with your needs. For example, lead capture, webinar registration. You can customize any template or start from scratch. Use the left-hand panel to add various form elements like text fields for name, email, and phone, drop-downs for choose options, checkboxes for multiple choices, radio buttons for single choice, text areas for open-ended responses, file uploads for attached documents, hidden fields for pre-fill with data. Then, edit the labels, placeholders, and appearances of each element. Now, change the form layout and background image. Use conditional logic to show or hide elements based on user choices. Here, define what happens when someone submits the form. Next, send email confirmations or notifications. Add leads to specific pipelines. Trigger automation or workflows. Integrate with other tools and services. Preview your form on different devices before publishing. Then, embed the form code on your website or landing page. Share the form link via email or social media.